Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is a motor vessel Ocean Guardian. Ocean Guardian, Ocean Guardian. Call sign Duog, MMS SI 548123456. Mayday. Your position is 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 58 minutes east. We are on fire in the engine room. Fire is out of control. We have 20 persons on board. Immediate assistance required. Over. Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is a motor vessel, Ocean Guardian. Call sign Duong. Your position is 14 degrees 30 minutes north, 120 degrees 59 minutes east. We have engine failures and are not under command. We are drifting but not in immediate danger. Requesting standby assistance and navigational warning. Over. Security, security, security. All station, all station, all station. This is a motor vessel Ocean Guardian. Call sign Duog. Navigational warning. Floating containers sighted at a position 14 degrees 40 minutes north, 121 degrees 2 minutes east. Vessel are advised to navigate with caution. Over.